live. It's hard to believe we're finally here, 2 years after we first planned to get married back home in New Zealand. It's not quite what we'd planned. But it was worth the wait, and you look beautiful today, as you always do.
So Pat, first off, I love you. I think I've always been in love with you for as long as I can remember. From when we were doing cartwheels as kids in the field behind the terrace.
I'm thankful for so many things that mean we're here together today, that we kept in touch over so many years, that you agreed to come to that Fleetwood Mac concert.
Sometimes I feel out of place.
That you pretended to like fishing the whole time. And finally that you said yes in your favourite spot on the beach in the Coromandel.
And sometimes I need your embrace.
You look amazing.
Yeah.
To get me through the day, and it feels like water on my skin. It feels like being born again. It feels like learning how to stand, if standing was.
We've built an amazing life together and had many good adventures. Whether it's a self-guided tour of a tropical snake-infested island, taking up ice baths in the morning, or deciding to move to a new country at the last minute. We're always in it together, and I wouldn't do it with anyone else.
Somehow you turn it all around, make it seem okay, and it feels like water on my skin. It feels like being born again. It feels like learning how to stand, if standing was flying.
It's this adventurous spirit with a cheeky sense of humour, complete lack of social filter, and genuine, caring nature that make you a truly unique person, and why I love you so much.
All of my best memories are with you. You are my finder of random places and instigator of our adventures.
And it feels like finally jumping in. It feels like running with the wind. And it feels like learning how to stand, if standing was flying. If I never had it, how would I know? If I ever found it, oh Lord, oh, there's no going backwards when you give her your soul.
I'm so excited to be your wife and to say I do, top of the mountain.
I promise to continue to love and to care for you for the rest of our lives.
And now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of Alberta, I pronounce you husband and wife, and you may seal this commitment with kisses.
It feels like